Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to upload a piece of content to Sloppr.AI. So when you come to Sloppr.AI, you'll land on the main page. You can either go look at the latest feed of what's coming through, or just look at kind of top content. We have like the hottest vibes. Content on Sloppr is called vibes. So if you upload something, if you publish something that is on Sloppr, a vibe. So we have the hottest vibes, the ones that are most recently performing well and getting attention. But I'm going to show you how to upload. So you basically come to the top, click create, click vibe, and you can use any kind of content really. We're not going to talk about brain bank and brain dumps today. These are associated with brain banks, which are LLMs as a service. Anybody can independently offer a brain bank as a service for other people for free or for a fee, basically. But in terms of what I would call a simple piece of content, this could be visual, it could be video, tutorials, things like that, audio files, apps, code, prompts, AI skills, full projects, and folders full of files and data, for example, AI models, 3D rigged characters, everything like that, right? So essentially, any kind of content you can think of can be uploadable and monetized on Sloppr or free. But today we're going to go with a video. So click on open file, obviously search for the file that you want to upload. Today, I'm just going to upload this just to demonstrate this little clip that I made with AI yesterday about Nat. That is there. Let's just call that something like Bitcoin is Nat alone. And let's just say, tag that with Bitcoin. You can tag anything here. We can say Bitcoin, Nat. This is on Tap Protocol. So we'll say Tap Protocol. We'll say miners, revenue. So we've put a few tags on there. I'm just going to say this is a short AI generated video I made today about the Nat token. And what I like about uploading content on Sloppr is I can give a basic description. By the way, I could upload a preview image. I'm not going to do that. I'll save some time. But you can describe how it was made. So I could here give someone the insight and the context and all the specific prompts that I used to create that specific image. And so if I go find the prompts now that I used yesterday and put that in here, that could help somebody else try to generate something similar. And so there is value in this. So this field here, how it was made, Sloppr is not just for uploading content, although it can be about educating, providing information, context, skills, expertise. And of course, this can be monetized. As we come down here, look, you can sell this content. So you can sell between $1 and $1,000 on Sloppr. You can make the access to it permanent or for a specific amount of days. Or if you choose not to sell the individual piece of content, there is also a subscriber option on Sloppr via your profile image at the top right-hand corner. You can go in there and actually create subscription tiers and put content behind a paywall in that way. So if I was someone who was amazing at creating images and videos with AI, and I was giving insight into how I created this with the prompts, and I was saying, I don't know, every day I give you one prompt how to make X, Y, or Z, there's value in this. And people are giving this away for free, of course, on X at the moment. But when you realize that something like Sloppr exists, this kind of expertise, knowledge, domain, skill base, it can be monetized, and Sloppr is there for those that want to achieve that. So I'm not going to actually add the prompt in here, but of course I could. I think you get the idea. I can explain how long it took, some notes, the tools that I used, add different prompts, etc., etc. Going to make it public, click upload. That will just process for a few seconds, and then boom, click on view content, and you can go directly to that video. So let's just watch. Yeah, so that's there. Of course, there's things like comments, like on any kind of platform like this, any content upload platform, these things can be saved to collections, and I love this. So if I'm creating specific content, as I mentioned, for my followers or my subscribers, or even just for myself, if I want to keep my content like bunched in collections, I can click save here and add things to collections. Now I have a Sloppr tutorial videos collection on here. Fitzy OG is my handle on Sloppr.AI. But I could create a new collection for AI art and then allow people to find things there. So I could say AI art, add, and that's now going to be a new collection. So if I come to my collections, here's my Sloppr tutorial videos. Here's the new collection that I just made available. You don't see it here because I'm in my own account, but if you wanted to follow collections, there would be a follow button here. So you can not only follow the creators, the people with Sloppr profiles, free to create by the way, but you can also follow collections that they have. So that is how you upload content on Sloppr.AI. And that's it.